Hello, how are you? I am a video and content creator, news personality, and writer. I have good experience in business marketing and strategy. I'm the founder of Dextro Ultramedia Services and Amabay, a sales outfit. I am enthusiastic about sharing knowledge and helpful information. My goal is to help you discover and develop necessary digital skills, in order to make you relevant in this fast-paced technology-driven global business environment. This is a platform where I share information on how to maximize technology for personal and business success. I'd be exposing you to latest and proven ways of making money online. Learn and master tools to growing your online and offline businesses. Some of the information on this channel will be based on my personal experience, but I also will be drawing inspiration from other people's experiences in a bid to bring you the best. So, I'd be creating a number of content based on my own research and findings. Remember to hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so you don't miss my videos every Fridays by 12 p.m. Get digital, promoting productivity and business success.